guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Queen. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for dropping by. I'm going to be showing you this art on my eyes today. It's actually a look I'm recreating from a celebrity makeup artist, Nikki Tutorials, using the James Charles palette I got from Ulta Beauty, the Morphe palette. I got that some weeks ago, but I've not had time to, use it for something like this. I have been using my old Morphe palette I had before. So if you want to see how I created this beautiful, gorgeous eye look, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe. As you can see, I've already done this eye off camera. I kind of messed it up a little bit, but I hope this one will come out better. So I'm going to be using the Carry eyeshadow primer. I'm combining that with my CoverGirl translucent concealer. The first shade I'll be going in with is this orange shade right here. It's called 518. I'll start that from the inner portion of my crease. Next, I'll go in with this pink and purple shade mixed together. This yellow and green shade combined. I'll go in with this blue right here to further deepen my crease area. So after doing that, I'll go ahead to cut my crease. And next thing she did was she used color pigment here, but I don't have color pigment, so I'll just go ahead and use my eyeshadow palette. She used pink right in the middle, used some green at the edge, and then yellow at the inner corners. So I'll first go in with the pink. So I'll be using Skip, B, and Social Blade. So this is me going in with Skip. Right here. Since I'm using the shadow, not pigment, so to give me that crisp, clean look, I'll cut this again. That one using this shade right here called Ring Light. Set my whole lid with that. Tearing up. And then the next this yellow to blend here. And here. You just blend everything together. Yeah. And the same here. I think it doesn't look so bad. So I'll go ahead and apply my mascara. Morphe Make It Big Bold Black Volumizing Mascara. I'll also go ahead and line my lower waterline with my Maybelline Tattoo Studio pencil, just very lightly. I don't want it to become too dark. I'll just go put on some clothes and style my hair, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so this is the finished look right here, and I hope you like it. I hope you like my hair. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a beautiful comment down below for more content. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next week. Bye bye.